what's going on YouTube? As you guys see right now, we're about to go grab 10K out of the bank. Well, not me, but he is right there. We're about to go also get some content as well. Here's the outfit we're working with. Have Grow Locker on a tee. Go shop growlocker.us, also right there in the bio. I have my necklace on, my Jesus pendant that I just released. T-shirt from our brand as well. And then t-shirts from his brand. Shorts are from his brand. And then we have, what are these, Cam? I don't even know. The runners, Balenciaga runners. Yeah. And then we're gonna be also wearing these apartment jeans as well. So we're gonna get some content for my brand, for his brand, for everybody's brand. So this should be a little fun little trip. Cam, show the view, bro. Show what we're working with, man. Look at that beautiful view. Nice. This LA is beautiful, bro. Y'all let me know, are we choosing LA or Miami? Look at that, bro, that's so tough. If you guys wanna go cop, by the time you're watching this video, it'll already be out. Hold on, that does not look right. There we go. That's what it looks like, this little biker chain. You guys will see what it looks like on body once I put these pants on. So yeah, everybody ready? You ready? Okay. All right, I'll catch you guys once we get to the car. What is going on YouTube? As you guys see right now, we're about to leave the house right now. We're about to head to the bank, put on a calm little 10K. Jax, why are you recording me, bro? But anyways, we're about to start the Hellcat. This thing is super duper loud. And we have the POV cam, calithekid, what is on your head? I know, bro, it's my POV cam for my car channel. So if you wanna go subscribe to my car channel, go subscribe at Quiet SRT. But I'll pop it on screen, and then as you guys can see, I gotta put that red key. Ready, guys, on 3. Bro, I gotta hype it up first. All right, is everybody ready? Yes. Yes, okay, 3, 2, 1. Double click. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, so we just made it from the bank. Got a little bit of bread, so now we're about to go spend it on Rodeo. We're about to go spend 10K on nothing, guys. You know that meme? I'm gonna put up that meme. I'm about to go spend 100,000 on nothing. That's us right now. So
we gonna go buy APs, nigga, for the whole gang, nigga. Nigga, I'm finna go spend 100,000 on nothing, nigga.
I'll catch you guys. We might go to Melrose, we might go to Rodeo. Wherever we go, I'll just pick up the camera then. Peace. All right, so now we are on Melrose currently. We are heading to, wait, where are we going? Cool Kicks. What is that? I have 10K in my car in my glove box. All right. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, the watch. Okay, some slight. But right now we're headed to Cool Kicks, LA. And then we're probably gonna go to a few other stores. Nothing crazy. You know, we're just out here enjoying the view. Here, get in front of me. We're just out here enjoying the sunshine. It's a beautiful day in California. As you can see, we got my brand on right now. It's like, you feel me? But I'll catch you guys once we get inside. All right, so right now we're currently in Cool Kicks LA, and we're about to hoop. I haven't touched a basketball in like a year, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit rusty, but you know, we're gonna do this anyways. All right, go. Hey, chat, if I make this, we gotta go buy something for my brand.
You're the same day? Yeah.
How much? Hey, Jack, what do you want?
Yeah, that's probably better.
Now,
yeah, take it down to 6. Like 3 blocks down the street. I think I remember this. Have you been here before?
Yeah, I
remember.
Bro, I came here last time. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know who hit somebody with a basketball, but you know. It'd be hard to find.
Hey, these things crazy.
But hey, we're about to do a little bit of shopping, guys. As you guys can see, we're at Cool Kicks LA, so we're about to cash out. No, he got 10K, so we got 10K. Yup, we got 10K, so we're about to ball out. Oh! He needs some drip.
This isn't drip? It's mid? Okay.
It's like Miami. Yeah, it's like, you guys are like popping. Let's style this kid real quick.
If I was him?
Are we thinking these? Smooth. We got these. This is hard. Don't go shop with them. Shop with me at Grow Locker. Wait, that's not like a, all right. That was kind of crazy promo, I'm not gonna lie. All right. I'll catch you guys later.
Nigga, it's your boy True here, nigga from LA, nigga Mr. Scarvel Up. Y'all go tune in though. On the real, Mr. Scarvel Up. Like me, hey, that motherfucker dripping on both on it. You know I'm Mr. Chain Snatcher, right?
Mr. Chain Snatcher, bro, it's plastic, bro. Don't even matter.
Fuck.
How long you been doing YouTube?
Plastic cans.
I've been doing it for like 4 years now.
This is finally officially do my first year doing it. I'm at $5. I got 5K on Sunday. I just started.
You post like really shit?
Yeah, I post.
What's your brand with that shit? What you do?
Bro,
Vlogs, bro. I've been the vlogs just like who the fuck am I? So I've been trying to like get into a niche of just motivational content right now.
Bro, you know who Quan is? Yeah. Bro, when he first started out, he started doing like fashion content and then he moved to vlogs. So find something like more niche and then move to vlogs. Because they'll fuck with you with your fashion content and then they'll want to like fuck with your
football
lifestyle.
too. I was trying to go into the football niche here and then
do that. And then I want to see like your lifestyle. Got you. Start with that and then do vlogs. For sure. I have a clothing brand. I do clothing brand and
that's
like
dope.
my vlog videos don't really do as well. But you gotta like build that hype up first, the audience, and then once you do that, then you start doing like vlogs.
For sure. You monetize on Instagram too?
Huh?
You monetize on Instagram too?
Yeah.
Sure.
What's your Instagram?
Got you.
Here, just type in calithekid.
What I got? That's dope. Nobody, you guys do content as well?
Everybody got their role in this, bro. You know how we do it. You know this the guys, bro.
Oh, you can do this for a minute, yeah. I just hit 11K.
Keep got it.
So I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
And then build your audience on TikTok and Instagram as well.
I go live. We live stream on TikTok.
I make shit,
We
boy.
make chicken too.
I'll show you right fucking now, boy.
How much?
We make shit a week. Man, I'm telling you.
Hey, I be seeing them niggas on live, bro. I actually want to know.
Now we live match, bro.
Hold on,
You niggas make money off live, bro.
Let me show you this shit, bro. Put me off the back, though. Each week, 26.
600 each week?
Off the back.
Every day? That's every day?
That's every Wednesday, bro. You get paid every Wednesday for TikTok.
Every Wednesday.
For going live?
Yep.
Yeah, literally, bro.
You don't even gotta have a big. You don't even gotta have a
I
big.
get paid. I get
support
paid
team.
2,600 every
You got
week.
10 people,
What do you
bro.
do?
How much do we live match?
All I
bro.
do,
You know
the
who
girls
they-
like
you know
me.
what they
Yeah.
do?
Yeah, like
EJ does that.
boost me.
Then I show you.
Yeah.
Look, hold on, let me tell you. Look, it's like pimping food. Like TikTok just like pimping food because look, the girls they like you, fool, and they send you shit, bro. Like it's just like that. They like the way you look. They just send you gifts, or they like your vibe, your vibe,
You trying to get for the clip? Yeah, they're not fucking with you, bro. I don't.
your swag and shit. They gonna be
You
like,
gotta
oh yeah,
cut
my
the
boy.
grass
They gonna be like, my boy fly. They might
I just
send
go
you.
by
They
her
might
too,
send you
bro.
gifts just because you fly. You got drip. You feel me? It's different reasons for different. You feel me?
What do you do on that?
What do?
Battle,
Like,
bro.
you just
Battle.
battle.
You just
You
sit
gotta
there and be like,
I sit there on my ass and
We're not
sit
one-
there enjoying, like, I'll be on YKO service.
We're not one of
I
those.
sit there and
No,
battle, like,
nah. Look, let me tell him this though, because he's gonna think we one of them. Thanks for the rose type of
Yeah,
people. We're
yeah,
not
no,
one
no,
of
no,
them.
no,
Nah. Hey.
I don't even, you wouldn't even see no corny shit out of me, like.
Nah. Yeah, we just sit on there like regular streaming, like Twitch and kicking all that. Wait, the fight, JC go fight.
calithekid.
Hey, that's Aura. Hey, clip that. Hey, that's Aura. That's Aura. Clip that.
Huh? It's back there. It's like right back there.
Alright, man, I got you. That was Aura.
That's hard.
That was Aura. Nah, that was good point. That's good point.
Oh yeah, keep doing that too. We don't want to stop y'all much. It's nice meeting y'all, bro. Nice meeting you, bro. Nice meeting you, bro.
Nah, you gonna catch no
Yeah, it's good. Wait, what's your TikTok, fool?
I got you.
Those 3 times in a day, bro. You keep your stuff on the FYP and the algorithm. You
Like, I have
bound.
109, right?
Yeah.
But like my views, 3K,
Bro.
2K, 3K.
I was out there for
Bro, you've done it before. You can do it again, fool.
I kind of feel like I fell up a little bit. I
That's what I thought too. I made the Scrabble up trend. They were like, "Oh, you only made the dancing trend, bro." But like, I ain't fell off, fool. You feel me? We was never on yet, so we ain't fall off, brother. Cause once we on, we can't fall off.
I appreciate that shit.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, what's your TikTok, bro?
I got you. It's my name.
He said, man, cause once you on, ain't no falling off. What you talking about? We was never on. That was just the
That'd be
steps.
advice, bro.
That was the steps to it, bro. You feel me? For real. I'm finna see you what cool gets done.
No. It was, hey, nice meeting you guys, bro.
Brody.
Sir.
So I hope all you guys ball and succeed.
Bro, W fucking advice, bro. W fucking
I
advice.
see y'all at the top.
Yes, sir. You too, man. Hey, I'm gonna tune in on your lives, all right?
Good, brother.
All right.
You gonna see him, bro.
I think I already did that, bro.
No, that was dead ass.
Bro, he just gave out like free game right there. So I'll catch you guys once we go to the next store. What the? Is that a Range Rover straight pipe? What
Yeah.
the fuck?
No, yeah. That's what Pete. That's what what's his name?
Bro, it's not working.
You're so sloppy, bro.
Bro, chill, bro. Not everything needs to be recorded, bro. We're just having a little bit of fucking technical difficulties right now, bro. I'm cutting that part out. Stop. Bro, saying so sloppy. Oh, shit. We need cars instead. Alright, so right now we're doing bid checks. Right now, me, Jax, and then Cam as well, cameraman. We're about to drop these new little rhinestone leather chains tomorrow, so we're just getting last minute a little bit of content. As you guys see, I have a beautiful Lamborghini Urus S behind us. This thing is beautiful, and I'm waiting for the owner to come back out right now, so I actually can get some content in front of it because I love cars. I want to incorporate cars into my brand. That's kind of like my marketing, so yeah, I'll do like a little B-roll once we start getting that content, so yeah. What's going on YouTube? Do I need to say anything at this point? Just look at the view, guys. This is beautiful. Look at this, man. You see that? It's over there. What's straight ahead? My mommy's way?
No, it's not. I'm just
Bro, I was like, wow.
You guys look so majestic.
It smells like pee.
I took a piss.
Bro, actually?
Yeah.
Where?
Like right here.
Cause I was like, what the fuck do I smell pee for?
But it's gonna fall off the mountain.
Oh my gosh. Can't, bro. Tee up, bro. Tee up, tee up. But yeah, right now I'm about to get some pics and shit. Hey, we need to get pictures of me in this and your denim. So pick me up. Who's camera boy?
Jax.
Yeah?
Cam.
Camera Jax.
Actually, no,
Guys?
Cam.
Cam
takes
right.
a bit.
Alright, just take a little pause break.
Alright,
what's going on YouTube? As you guys see right now, we just made it to the gas station. We're getting some flicks currently. As you can see,
I already got my flicks.
we got Alex right here. Hold on, who else we got? Who else we got in the gas station? Alex is over here. And this boy over here getting some flicks.
Come here.
Jack getting some flicks.
Get it.
Cam, the photographer. All right, vlogger vlogging a vlogger. Okay. All right, YouTube. As you guys see right now, we just made it up to Mammoth, bro. It is freezing, and I'm already slipping. Look. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, this is actually like crazy, bro. Wow, bro. Look at this. This is snow, guys. Look at this. Oh, snow. Oh my god. Oh. Cold. Holy crap. Flick you? Flick. Oh yeah, flick me too. Once I'm done flicking. Alright, bet. Alright, right now we're getting some flicks. And lighting's low-key bad right here. Alright, as you guys see though, whole gang got Girl Lucker necklace on. Oh my gosh, almost fell. As you can see, I got my Girl Lucker necklace on. Alex, come here. He got his right now. He got the x-ray clear. So if you guys want to go shop, girllucker.us. I'll put the link in the description. Show the necklace, He got the Jesus pendant on. And then Cam, he got the same one as me on. He has the opal. Show the chain. Sheesh. And then he has the opal one, the same one as me. But we're about to go shred. Oh my gosh, it's cool. Holy crap, bro. We're about to shred. Hey. No traction control, bro. My traction control is off right now. Oh, bro, it's freaking freezing, man. It's freezing, bro, man. Brother, man, it's cold out here. And we got that stuff on, lightly but politely.
Should I go puffer or this one?
And then Jax, he has the unreleased necklace on.
Where's the puffer?
Bro, put the puffer on low key.
You want to trade it tight?
Let me wear one. I'm brick as shit.
I know you're cold, bro. I know your face is cold.
My face is hella cold.
Ever since I was a kid, I was a hood.
Any music?
Wait, I was supposed to bring music?
Huh?
I bring music?
Yeah, I'm not gonna really need it.
Wait, we're supposed to go there.
Yeah, we're getting his rentals. Yeah, mine.
We're gonna Mercedes though. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Very beautiful.
You have like the confirmation stuff, right?
Bro, hey, what do we have to say to the vlog, Jax? Tell them how you're about to. Bro, that's copyright, bro. Chill, that's copyright. So right now we're walking to get the rental. I need to go get my gear. I need to go get some boots, some snow boots, and then I need to go get my oh crap, bro. So, and I need to go get snow boots, snowboard, and I'm pretty sure that should be it. Bro, we're about to walk. Look at this. Oh yeah.
You have your confirmation, right?
Yeah.
Hey,
it's already in the locker.
Put the camera on my feet, bro.
Bro, he's wearing slides. Why are you? Bro, he's wearing slides. His feet are about to be cold.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys when we get in the room.
Oh, Jax, you're cooked. Jax, you're actually cooked. Jax is low-key cooked, guy. Oh! Hey, throw that at his feet.
Yo,
Bro, these boots are perfect.
hey, shout out Kanye, man.
Easy boots.
Shout out Kanye. Oh, I'm in the snow. I'm off the snow.
Oh my gosh, I was. Look at
So
that,
excited.
So excited.
so excited to rip.
To shred.
Why? Hey!
I'm too fucking cool.
Bro, look at them. Snow warriors.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, look at oh my gosh, it's so cool. Guys, I think we have about 200 or so, 200, 300 or so dollars in sales right now currently.
Go.